this black long snake? What could it be? Well, you know what it is? It's a garden hose. And I took a can of paint and I painted it. It's long. 2 garden hoses put together, but it's a long, long garden hose. The idea is tomorrow I'm going to run that across the top of the roof and then hook it up for a temporary hot shower before I get the propane hot water on demand shower. Pretty excited. So it's been a long day of rigging up pumps, pipes, and batteries and everything else. I just want to show you what I got going on here. We got a line here that's coming in. That's the feed line, comes into the tank. That's pumped from the river with a 12-volt submersible pump out there. And this here line is taken out and goes into this pump here. And this is also a pressure switch pump. So there's power going to it right now. As soon as you turn the tap inside or flush the flush, it'll pump water to it right away. And then as soon as you shut it off, it shuts the pump off. So you can always keep power to it. It's great. Same thing as what you got in your camper trailers and stuff like that. And then there, I put in another pump. This one actually comes with the switch, which I'm going to rig up to make it a little bit longer. And this here, just a garden hose. What I've done, this is where eventually I'm going to be putting a shower, outside shower. And for now, I just got the garden hose hooked up and just a little bit of a platform there. I'll be putting some blocks and drainage and stuff like that after. But man, after a hot day today, something nice to be able to spray yourself off, cool off a little bit. Anyway, just thought I'd share this a little bit. This is the first stages of living off the grid. Next few days I plan on getting a bigger holding tank and gearing this stuff back up again as well. Anyway, thanks for checking this out and enjoy your day.